Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Logging 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change currency on Remitly. So if you also want to change currency on Remitly, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here Remitly application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to change the currency, you'll have to change the country that you're sending money to. At top left corner, you'll be able to see the country flag over there. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to tap on the country that you want to send your money to. Keep in mind whatever country you tap in, that currency will be selected. You can see several country options over here. Simply tap on the country. Now you can see over here the country flag has been changed. That means the currency has also been changed. Now you can proceed to the transaction. Now in your further transaction, this currency will be selected. So that is how you change currency on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.